Have you ever wondered how people are making hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars online using AI without investing any money? The truth is, you don't need coding skills, expensive software, or a big budget. In this video, I'll show you 3 high-demand AI business ideas that you can start today for free. If you're serious about making money online in 2026, watch until the end because the third idea has huge earning potential. Let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share the best AI tools, online business ideas, affiliate marketing strategies, and ways to earn money online. If that's something you're interested in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Now let's jump into AI business idea number 1. AI business idea number 1, AI content creation agency. Businesses need content every single day. They need blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, emails, and YouTube scripts. Most small businesses don't have time to create all of this. This is where AI becomes your business partner. Use free AI tools to create high-quality content in minutes. Then offer your services on Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or directly to local businesses. Services you can sell: blog writing, Instagram captions, Facebook posts, email newsletters, YouTube scripts, SEO articles, product descriptions, free AI tools, ChatGPT free, Claude AI, Google Gemini, Canva AI. You don't need to be an expert writer. You simply learn how to give good prompts, edit the output, and deliver polished work. Many freelancers charge between $20 and $200 per project depending on the client and the work involved. The best part: once you build a few happy clients, they often come back every month. That's recurring income. AI business idea number 2, AI short video agency. Short-form videos are dominating every platform. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok. Millions of businesses want short videos but don't know how to create them. You can solve that problem. Use AI to turn articles, scripts, or blog posts into engaging videos. Then sell video packages to creators, coaches, local businesses, and online stores. Free tools: CapCut, Canva, ChatGPT, 11 Labs free, Google AI Studio. Offer packages like 10 shorts, 30 shorts, monthly content management. Businesses love saving time. You save them hours of editing while earning money online. One client paying $300 to $1,000 per month can become a consistent income source. AI business idea number 3, AI Pinterest affiliate business. This is one of the most beginner-friendly businesses. You don't need your own product. You don't need inventory. You don't even need paid ads. Here's how it works. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, CJ Affiliate, ShareASale. Choose products in a profitable niche. Use ChatGPT to generate Pinterest pin titles and descriptions. Create attractive pins in Canva. Post them consistently on Pinterest. When someone clicks your pin and buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The best part: your pins can continue bringing traffic for months. This means your work today can generate income long after you've posted it. Many creators grow this into a full-time online business by publishing new pins consistently. If you're just starting, don't try all 3 ideas at once. Choose one. Spend the next 30 days learning one skill. Create a portfolio. Offer your services. Get your first client. Reinvest your earnings into better AI tools later. Consistency beats chasing every new trend. The people making money online aren't using secret tools. They're taking action every day. Those were 3 high-demand AI business ideas you can start without investment in 2026. Whether you choose AI content creation, AI video editing, or Pinterest affiliate marketing, remember that success comes from consistent action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. Thanks for watching.